Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. And today I went on a little shopping spree and I purchased a few random Apple items from the Apple store today. So let's get into the unboxing experience of each. Now, again, I'm late to the party. I already have other speakers, so today we're still gonna unbox two AirPod minis and pair them to the Apple TV. So right now it's just gonna be the unboxing process of it, and I'll set it up and let you know how it sounds a little later. Also, I went to the Apple store and bought this case, the Fine Woven, because I wanted to test it out and see if what everyone says is true about it. Because I have other cases, but I wanted to try this one specifically. And with that being said, my Apple collection is finally complete. I have every device that I could think of that Apple has come out with or have had it at some point of time. Whether it's the Apple Tag, let's run them through. The AirPods Max, the regular AirPods, the HomePods, the Apple TV, the MacBook, the iPhone 15 Pro Max, the Apple Watch. So yeah, I don't know what else is left, but that's pretty much all of Apple's products in a nutshell. So again, today the final products that I haven't shown on my channel before is the HomePods and the Apple TV. Now, at first, I really didn't have a need for the Apple TV, which I still technically don't, because each one of my TVs is a smart TV, so I could literally just load the app on my TVs and be perfectly fine. But I wanted to pair two of these more for aesthetics, because I could have bought two regular HomePods, but I was like, all right, I don't need to necessarily shell out that kind of money, because I already have a sound bar. I already have like JBLs or whatever, so I don't necessarily need the best that Apple offers in this category, because technically Apple is already overpriced anyway. So two little mini speakers, I think this will sound good with this paired together. So I'm gonna set it up, and more so I did it for the lights on the top for the aesthetics, because I have lights in the man cave. So I'm gonna kind of show you guys what they look like at the end of this video. But as of right now, let's get into the unboxing. And let's see what I want to show you guys first. Right now, this one didn't come from the Apple store, but I bought this little Milanese black band for my Apple Watch. So I'm kind of getting tired of this one and my little Gucci band. But other than that, let's unbox this HomePod mini. Got my little regular kitchen unboxing knife on the side. I'm going to try to do this behind the camera because I don't want to be all day. All right. So let's go ahead and unbox this. I have the two white ones. I should have got the black one, but they didn't have any black ones. And I feel like these may get a little dusty fast. Hopefully not, but that's okay if they do. So it slides out from like this. Well then, didn't expect that. I'll be more prepared for the next one. And here you are, HomePod. So got the little cable tied into the back. I'm gonna have to find somewhere to actually plug this up. Let me untangle this little rope here and see what kind of a cable we got. USB-C, perfect. So before the 15 Pro Max came out, let me know, guys, was it always USB-C? Because I know everything else by Apple was USB-C except for the iPhone. Now my AirPods Max and my AirPods are Lightning. So I don't know if that was the case, but I can find somewhere, like even on this desk right here, I could put both of these on the desk technically and run them on the desk, because everywhere else in here I already have speakers or some type of sound coming from it. But I peeled the sticker off on the bottom. These really feel good. This material feels good. Like I said, I'm gonna go ahead and power it up in just a second. Let me find a USB spot to plug this into. I'll use this charger here. Let's plug that up. And let's put it into view. Well, let's move that first. I'm all over the place, guys. Don't worry about it. That's fine. And since you've seen one, I'm not gonna do that right now. I'll unbox the other and pair it up in a second. I'll do all of that off camera. But let's see how this one works. So let's open got my iPhone open. It's pretty nice. I like the sound already. Let's see if I can do it again. Y'all ready? I'm gonna be quiet this time. Damn it, guess it don't do it but once. I want to see it again. There we go. So you just hit setup. I'm going to set it up real quick and I'll be right back. All right, y'all. So I've set them up and paired them. But as of right now, trying to use it with iOS 17.1, it isn't the smoothest process in the world to get them connected. I'm going to see if there are changes using them with the Apple TV, which I'm going to unbox next. But just using these for music. Now, when I did have them playing, they sound really, really good. But it seems like it's having trouble deciding between using the now playing, like as soon as you get the phone close to it, versus like just going, now I'll show you what I mean by that. Just going into, unlock my phone real quick. So let's just say I'm here. I'm going to click down here. Come on. I'm trying to do it from behind the camera. And I just got it set for like default 2-pair right now. And you can tell it's 2 home pods. I'll kind of get that close. I got other stuff, but default speakers. And I'm like, if I'm doing something wrong, just let me know. But it seems to want to pop up like this, but that's not necessarily what I'm trying to do right now. But I'll go ahead and transfer, see if that works like that. Because I tried it earlier and it didn't work. Maybe it'll work while I'm on camera. So again, I'm not going to waste too much time on the video itself. But like I said, the delay time is crazy. Like I would think, with it being Apple, syncing across all devices or whatever, be a little bit quicker than this. So not the smoothest process in the world that I thought it would be. But like I said, the sound on it, when it is actually paired and playing, sounds good. See, like even now it's still spinning. So I don't know what it is. And like I said, they're close. I don't know if I have them too close, too far. I'm using a 15 Pro Max, but again, I always get this error message right here as of right now. I don't know. Like I said, I'll play around with it more, but I just, again, thought it would be a smooth experience. Not too disappointed, but at the same time, I'm not impressed either. So next is going to be the, thought I had to cut it, but I don't. I just pulled the tabs. Is the Apple TV, the 128 gig. So I got plenty of storage. I've seen other reviews. Hopefully it's as good as they say it is. As far as like with the Siri, I know it has the Apple A15 chip in it. But here it is, freshly unboxed. I'll just sit that in the back. So you can actually, I think you can plug into this as well. But anyway, let's take a quick look. Peel this little tab off. Okay. Just peel all the tabs off all the way around. All right. So here are your ports at the back. So this will be the front. You know, this is the back, so it'll be like that. So here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna plug this into the TV. I'm gonna see if I can get these HomePod Minis. Now I wanna play when I'm not trying to. I'll see if I can get these HomePod Minis to connect to the Apple TV and see if it makes a difference with this versus the music. So hold on tight. All right, so before I do that and actually move my camera around and stuff like that, final item, let me unbox this brown tote looking case. I'm thinking that's the name of it, but I'm gonna go ahead and unbox this real quick. Come on out of there. Here you go. Throw that to the side. Take out the stickers. Alrighty, so here's my natural iPhone 15 Pro Max. Just slap it in. So, I can't wait to see what happens over time with this case. As of right now, I love the feel on it. Again, it's not as premium as the leather case, of course, but like I said, I do like the feel of it. I hope it stays this color and don't really turn or get dirty or really scratch. I'm really careful with my phone. I'm not the type of person to just drop my phone a lot. Only thing it's going to be doing is going in and out of my pocket and on a table face down like that when I'm not using it. Or just like this, but mostly face down. So we'll see how, you know, in 2 weeks I'll report back to you and see what happens with it. But again, back to these speakers and the Apple TV. All right, guys, finally got it set up. Let's turn it all the way up. Got Jeepers Creepers on. I literally got to shout because they are pretty loud. As you can see, they both lighting up. Great thing for the man cave. Got my lights over there. Lights all around here. I love it. So 10 out of 10 on the AirPod Minis and the Apple TV paired together. I'll do some more testing when it comes to music and my phone. Other than that, like this video, share this video, comment on this video, and subscribe. Okay, also I wanted to talk about the remote. Pretty fast. Siri commands are great. Apple TV is fluent. So far so good. I'll update y'all probably in a week or two about how I really feel all the way through and through. But as of right now, great first impressions. Share this video, and I'll catch y'all in the next one. Subscribe. Deuces.
Essence, born with less, but you still precious. Just smell foam in there.